Matt wants to install a chimney for his home, but has no idea how to get started. Luckily, he has Chimney Wizard from Northline Express. Chimney Wizard makes it easy to find and compare the best options for every chimney installation. With a few common tools, Matt will discover the best choice for his chimney in minutes. The Chimney Wizard will guide him step by step with helpful tips along the way. Whenever Matt has a question, he can click the blue help links, and the wizard will give him clear definitions and diagrams. After entering a few measurements, the wizard is ready to work. Moments later, Matt has 5 options to choose from, with detailed descriptions of each. There's even a complete cost breakdown of every part. No hidden fees here. Matt can compare and choose the best option for his home, not to mention order his entire chimney system in one click. It's that simple. In just minutes, Matt can go from being out in the cold to enjoying his new stove, thanks to Chimney Wizard from Northline Express. Let Chimney Wizard guide you today.